Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place you're working on. You want Explorer and Properties visible so you can find sound objects fast. Once done, locate the sound instance under Workspace, Starter GUI, or Starter Player and note its name and volume settings. Make sure loop is off if you want music to end naturally, or prepare to stop it with code. This prevents overlap. Now you're ready to add the script that will control playback and stopping. You will create the script that issues the stop command. If music is client-specific, use a local script. For server-wide music, use a script on the server. Then reference the sound by its path, for example, workspace, music, or game. Starter GUI, wait for child sound name. After that, call sound, stop, to halt immediately, or use tween service to tween volume to 0 over a second for a fade. This approach gives smooth control and avoids abrupt cuts. Make sure to now wire the stop action to a trigger such as a GUI button, key press, or remote event for server-client communication. Once done, test the trigger and include prints or warnings so you can see the script executed in output. If the music keeps playing, make sure there aren't duplicate sound instances, that you reference the active parent, workspace versus starter GUI, and that loop isn't forcing repeats. Also check volume and play on remove behaviors. Fixing these common issues resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.